How to change region on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can change your region on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you wanna do is we're gonna go to settings. Yes, in the system settings. And here you can search the region. As you can see right here, you can click the first one. And here you can now change your region into whatever you like. As you can see right now, I just set mine into Japan. This is just for the update for the MIUI. It's up to you. Where do you from? Where are you from? Something like that. So yes, that's how to change region on Android. I hope the video was really helpful, and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.